being a girl was success to follow me. I thought it might be an plane to sail across the seas, but I did not find what I really need. I found it all when I lost everything in my life to serve a risen King. I found the truth that I've been searching for. I found it all when I found the Lord. Letting go of my ways that I think are best for me. Laying down of all my ideas, oh, I think my life should be. I'm leaving everything I am and letting Jesus be. For